Hi everybody. In Microsoft Word, if you open up a new document, it's going to give you default text that's formatted in a Calibri size 11 font. It looks like this. Now this is a font that really nobody wants to use, but it's the default in Word. So today what I'm going to show you is that you can change the default font when you open up a new document. What I'm going to show you is going to work in Windows 10, okay? Let's get started. I'm going to close up Microsoft Word. And I'm in Windows 10. I'm going to go to the File Explorer. I'm going to go to this PC. I'm going to go to my C drive, Windows C. I'm going to go to Users. This is my username, the one I'm in right now. I'm going to use that, or click on that. Now here's where it gets tricky. You want to find the folder called App Data. There's a good chance that it's hidden, so go to View. Check on Hidden Items. There we go. There's App Data. Click on that. Click in Roaming, go down to Microsoft, go to, let's see, Templates. This is your normal template. To modify the normal template, you have to right-click on it and hit Open. If you just double-click on this template, it opens up a Microsoft Word document, but it doesn't open up the template itself. Any changes I make to this document are only going to be saved to this document, not to the template that controls all of the new documents. So I'm going to close that. Instead of double-clicking, right-click and open. See here it says normal.dotm. Now the changes that I make are going to be made to the entire normal template, so anytime I open up a new document, these changes will be visible. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to change the normal font in the normal template. To do that, go to Style, where it says Styles right here. Hit this call-out button. That opens up the Styles pane. Here's the normal style. We're going to click on this arrow, modify. We're going to change the font. I want it to be Georgia Pro instead of Calibri. I'm going to hit OK. Now I don't even have to save this. I'm just going to close it. Now when I open up let's just close this. Now when I open up a new document in Microsoft Word, the default font is Georgia Pro, and it looks like this. And to me, that's a little bit nicer looking font. You can make other changes besides changes to the font. You can change the font size. You can change the paragraph spacing. You can change the margins. You can make a lot of changes to the normal template. Now, if you make changes to the normal template that you want to undo, here's one quick, tricky way that you can undo those changes. All right, we're going to go back to the normal template. Let's see. Windows, Users, Me, App Data, Roaming, Microsoft, Templates. Here's the normal template. If I want to get rid of all the changes I've made to the normal template, I can just delete the normal template. It's gone. But when I open up a new Microsoft Word blank document, it's going to automatically recreate the original normal template that comes programmed into Word, and that has Calibri size 11 text. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more help with your writing, I've put a link to my website in the video description below, and you can get a hold of me there.